Welcome cruisers to a brand new month of our cruise news updates. We get things rolling with 3 new major stories, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Starting our updates off today, we have Royal Caribbean confirming that Harmony of the Seas returned hours late to Galveston in Texas on February the 1st. The Oasis-class ship had been sailing a 7-night Western Caribbean cruise that departed January the 25th, visiting Roatan, Costa Maya and Cozumel. A medical evacuation near Cancun forced the ship to backtrack, and then strong headwinds up to 55 knots slowed everything down. As a result, the next sailing from Galveston departed about 3 hours late at 6 p.m. instead of 3 p.m, with no itinerary changes expected. On January the 31st, reports confirmed that about 200 guests got sick on the Fred Olsen Balmoral, a UK-based cruise ship sailing a 10-night trip to Norway and Scotland. The voyage left Southampton in the UK and wrapped up there on January the 30th. Stomach symptoms, likely norovirus, hit roughly 11% of the people on board. The ship missed Lerwick in Scotland on January the 27th due to storms, skipping the Apeliar Festival. After a deep clean announced on January the 29th, Balmoral sailed again a day later on the 30th, heading to Olsen in Norway, arriving February the 2nd, then Narvik, Alta, Tromsø, Sortland and finally Molde. Not CDC tracked since there were no US ports, but it's still pretty wild. A quick spooky season update for you now, as Royal Caribbean just shook things up for the Enchantment of the Seas, sailing out of Tampa in Florida on October 24th. This 7-night Halloween-time Caribbean cruise is dropping Belize City on October 27th, and Roatan in Honduras a day later on October the 28th. Instead, you're getting a full day at Perfect Day at CocoCay in the Bahamas, plus a chill sea day. Costa Maya in Mexico stays locked in for October 26, and Cozumel on October 29th now runs from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.